Good morning, Bharat. Bipin. Feeling a bit better today. What is wrong if it opens 150 points higher? Is it something wrong? This question is for Bharat. Few results are good, and uh, I think the Reliance could be participating today. Yeah, he is up directly 1%. And uh, look at the move in Hindustan Unilever. One member who asked me yesterday, I mean last 3 4 days continuously regarding 2160 call. Yesterday, even when it was quoting at 10 or 11, something like that, I said to hold, take a risk and hold because I felt something fishy over there. Surges like anything, almost 4% up at opening. His position of I don't know his or her position of 2160 call might open above 50 today. Bharat, um, always try to go along with the market. Don't try to find reasons for all the moves, whatever happening. Okay, that is the biggest mistake we people do, and we keep on researching that kind of reasons and missing out the move. Okay, yesterday what we have taken 17,000 call. Remember, yesterday we have taken a 17,000 call and 36,200 call. If we need to make money, our position should move up, no matter what happens, whatever the reason may be. It is moving on the higher side. We are in profits. That's all. There ends the game. Don't do too much of research with the markets. Our ultimate goal is to make money in markets. That's it. Okay. So for that, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to do. Instead of finding reasons for everything. Don't think that I am overriding you and uh, I mean uh, distracting you or something like that. I am speaking the reality. What is the end goal for market for we participating in markets? We need to make money. Are we making money or not? That's it. There ends the game. Just an update. I mean, give me a minute. I will send my update to my members and come back. Bharat, I speak reality, Bharat. I don't give fancy and frenzy statements like other people who do for attracting their members. I don't do that. I speak reality. That's it. Why are we participating in markets? For making money. Are we making or not? That's the end of the game. Good morning, Arvind. Uh, Yesterday I was in very bad condition. Today I am a bit better after meeting my doctor yesterday and taking some medicines. Having a bit of cough, but there is no fever like what I had yesterday. I don't know whether the member whoever has asked about HUL position is joined our session or not. If that person has joined, then try to exit at opening itself in HUL. Tata Motors settles 1% in green. Remember, we have 500 call. Good morning, Ravi. Risk takers alone can go long in zinc with 1 rupee stop loss. 1 rupee 10 paise as stop loss. 355.90 will be your stop loss. VIX is cooling a bit. VIX, if it comes down below 19, then it will be very good for us today. Surprise that ICICI Bank participates today. Hmm, what are the other positions we have? Luckily, we exited the Bank Nifty 36,200 call yesterday itself. Something I felt like not to hold both the positions, so I squared off one and just holded the other one. Good morning, Viral. Let's see what HUL made today. Unilever 2160 call. That was the one which the person asked me. Yes, my target of 50 is achieved. That was the recommended one for that particular number. 63 is the high. Forget about 63. Currently, it is quoting above 51. My target is 50, and he or she would have ended with profits. That's it. Mm, what is the problem with Wipro? It is falling every day, whereas other IT companies are still sustaining. Wipro, I guess he's not come up with results, I believe. So, maybe once the results come, it could turn around. Until then, it will be like this. If you want, we can check the charts of Wipro. Mm, It will be way below the moving averages, all kind of moving averages. Yes, so probably could take support around 500 and then climb. 510 was the initial level which I have said earlier. Wipro somewhere here, somebody of some of our members have asked me in YouTube. So at that time I said 510 to 500 will be the level it could take support and climb. So probably it may take support over there. Let's see how the option chain reflects now. Probably he could be a bit better. Nifty futures to spot is trading with a discount of 1 point, 1 or 3 points, something like that. Generally speaking, futures will not, I mean, spot will not to come and adjust with futures. It's futures who need to go and get adjusted with the spot values. Axis, Kotak, IndusInd Bank, barring these two giants, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, the others are in green. That's quite surprising. Anyways, let's wait and see how it goes. 17500 call which was given at 175 is 9 now at 195. Sorry, 170 is now at 195. I meant the next month call. The pair is quoting around 60. I'm expecting a one-sided target of 100. Is it worth taking a risk of 60 points for a target of 40 points? That is the only thinking which I have right now. But anyways, let's not rush. Let's stay calm for some time and then take a position. Because the opening which we have seen is unusual. 29th, I will go one by one. Wipro I have said, good morning. I know next month options wait till expiry, but what you get want to get an opinion on Coforge. Coforge, mid-cap IT companies generally do well when it gets into momentum. Beautiful chart setup. Beautiful chart setup. The immediate target which I am looking is the 20 moving average test 4238. That's for Coforge. 29th is the result date. Yes, it was me asking about Wipro and few other stocks. I feel Wipro will take support around 500, 520, 510 and then climb on the higher side. That's my opinion on Wipro. Bank Nifty turned negative. Yes, it's turned negative because the biggies HDFC Bank and the other one ICICI Bank has gone into red. Forget about others. These two have a major play over here. Mahendra. I'm wondering really whether I am not seeing correctly or members whom I am seeing right now are not seeing correctly. Because barring me, everybody are bearish today. Even my very close friends are bearish today. But I am the only person who is crying for the bulls. But I don't know whether it's right or not. Let me go as per my view. I'm not worried about others. Let me go as per my view. Can HDFC AMC take out yesterday's close? Yes, he has taken out. Uh, if market support a bit, he can do super move. It was good to book 36,000 and 36,200 call yesterday. No, no, Bipin, don't think like that. Market will fool us like anything. Okay, get, don't think like that. Bank Nifty reversed from 36. It's a good sign for bulls like us. I'm still bullish on Bank Nifty. The thing is, I don't want to chase anything now. A rocket kind of move from HDFC AMC. Look at the bar, that shows you the strength. Maybe if we add volumes over there, probably we will get the real strength of that particular thing. Results were not good as well as not bad, but the company has declared 42 rupees dividend on each share, so probably it could fire on the higher side. Let's see. There is a divergence between Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty is up almost a half a percent, whereas Bank Nifty is up just 0.2%, less than 0.2% in fact. Infi, Deccan, Bank of Baroda, Tata Steel. We will not go and stick to this. Let's see the charts of this thing, whether we will be able to catch something over here. Um, we'll go per charts today. As of present situation, 36,100 and 36,200 strike prices have high open interest in call side, and on the put side it is 36,000 and 35,800. So probably we will find tough to break 35,800, and on the other side we will find tough to move above 36,200. It will be range bound kind of stuff for a couple of minutes, and then there might be a chance of giving a breakout or breakdown. That could be the situation. $36,000 we will see. Option chain reflects that. If my guess is right, 35,950 will be seen, and then we will climb again on the higher side. Let us see. how it goes. Twenty-five, 55, 57. Members who wanted to play a safer bit of move can take 17050 put as well as 17150 call. Currently quoting around 25 and 32 respectively, which means your combined premium will be around 57, 58. Just place a sell order at 102 for both sides. Whichever side it gets executed, you may cancel the other order. Generally, I won't give target. Something says me that one directional move could happen, but we don't know on which side. Bajaj Finance. Bank Nifty is slowly drifting lower, but on the other side, Nifty is slowly creeping higher. Friends, if you have any queries, keep you can start posting. We will try to answer as much as queries possible. Now Nifty futures has turned. I mean, not turned. It is come and synced with the spot values. Earlier there was a difference. Now it has come and synced with the spot values, and on few occurrences it is even having a premium of 2-3 points. Balkrishna is looking good, but can be taken around 81 2220 C. I have taken 17150 C at 34. What's your view on this? Professor, just now I have suggested a pair trade. You can do one thing, buy 17050 put also for 25 rupees, and the expected target is any one side it will do 100. We don't know which side it will. I'm suggesting it to go as a pair just because it is expiry day, and we don't have any control over markets today. It's purely the biggies play. So hence we are not aware of the direction. We can do it as a hedged play. And if you want to go as a hero or zero for 17150C, then it's fine. Bank Nifty, if it breaks 36,000, will drop easily another 80 90 points. I mean, sorry, 100 points. Any other questions do we have? Don't be in a hurry. Look at the way he is sliding. Bank Nifty. He is coming to break the morning lows. If it breaks, he can easily slide out another 100 points. As I said earlier, below 36,000, 35,800 will be the support. Good morning, Bala. ABFR. I'm a bit okay now. There is no fever. So I thought of having live session. ABFRL 290 call. Let's see charts. it has given a sell signal 3 days back. So at least for a week, it should either consolidate or drop down. For you, the stop loss will be the low of this particular candle, the lowest low of this four candles, which is 276.65. Maybe you can have a stop loss of 275 on closing basis. If it closes below, you need to exit, or else you can stick to your position. On the higher side, 295 is a possibility if the low is not getting broken. Entire voice changed. It might be because of cold, bro. Yesterday night I was not even able to speak, and I was literally sleeping for some time. Look at the way Nifty Bank is trying to fool everyone. Coming, touching the red line, moving again here, coming, touching the red line, and moving again here. One fine moment, he will break the red line, and the fall will be sharp. Sharp in the sense, don't expect 400, 500 point fall. Probably 100 to 150 point fall from 36,000 levels, which means 35 900 to 35 850. That is where I am expecting a support, and then could climb on the higher side. Mm, what can we do? Reliance alone is trying to sustain above. If he gives up, then everything goes for a toss. And Maruti 8100 call, which we were discussing about to buy around 200 yesterday, has delivered you 50 points. I don't know how many of you have taken or not. I'm just giving an update because I can't give anything concrete like that in a free channel. So that's the reason I am not giving anything concrete. Hope you people will understand. And Bank Nifty is trying to hold. looks like we can take a chance over there, but um, I'm not willing to do it. Seems like he is also not giving willing to give up. And now it's a good call actually for buy. Bank Nifty. In futures, it is a good buy right now, but options has not given any buy signal for us, so it's not fair to chase now. Mr. Kumar, I was searching for you. My luck is very bad. From morning there is no electricity due to some short circuit, and I'm gone outside and mobile got fallen and broken. Last sold at cost. This is these kind of excuses are not acceptable. Okay, when you are holding a position and that too on an expiry day, you should not give excuses like an LKG student. You should have been in a position at least to call your broker and square off your position. I can't accept this kind of explanation. Being a trader, we are not doing any uh, department store kind of business. This is a business where timing is more important. If we lack in timing, we are gone for a toss. Don't know if we can call the broker for square off. Just 4 months I have been trading. Bro, that is why I said we are in a business where timing is more important. If we are not aware about the timing and not aware about the pros and cons and not aware about the ifs and buts of the business, then we should not do this business. You are putting your hard earned money. Okay, say for example, you have said that you have invested in uh, that particular call at 30 rupees, which means the lot size is 300, I guess, 300 or 250. Just a minute. Yeah, 300, which means you have invested 9,000 rupees. If you are not in a position to take profits out of your 9,000 rupees, that too when it shows, and that too it is 100%, then think about you are, sorry to say this, irresponsible way of trading. You should have done it. I can't give any excuses for this because it is your last day of trading. This current month expiry. You should not have taken any chances. Anyways, whatever happened has happened. You need to be a very uh, cautious situation going forward. Don't think me wrong that I'm saying that irresponsible way of trading. I speak from bottom of my heart. If you have earned 100% profits after maintaining lots of patience for maybe 5 6 days, then why we should have invested in that position? Instead of that, that 3,000, 6,000, 9,000 rupees could have been in your either in your bank account or in your trading account itself, right? Good morning, sir. TVRT. Please give your view on Z Learn stock bought at 1715. 17. Z Learn. It is a cash stock. You have bought it at a very higher price, and it's not only for TVRT. To all the members over here, don't try to invest in penny stocks. Penny stocks in the sense a stock which is trading below 10 rupees. Okay, maybe this stock when you have bought it could have been at 17 rupees, but before that just see from where it has climbed. See over here, from where it has climbed. It has climbed only from 10 odd rupees. From 10, I have opened the weekly charts for you. From 10 it has climbed and it went till 20, which means it has already done 100%. What is the point of you buying at 75% higher than the price? So if you ask me, I would suggest you to exit from the stock and move on to some other quality stocks. If you want a suggestion, then I can give you Delta Corp or Bandhan Bank would be a good bet. You can cover up these losses from that position. But if you are keeping this Z Learn for even maybe a year or so, you may not get even 15 rupees. There should be some big positive news to be coming, and then only you will be able to see some 15 rupees kind of stuff. Even then, your position will be in loss. Instead of that, if you exit your position from here, and then if you switch over to either Delta Corp or Bandhan Bank, or if you want a smaller stock, then I can give you uh, L&T Finance. Even that would help for covering up your losses. Or you go and stick to my pick, Subex. Subex, you can go and stick to my pick. It is, I am having a target of 100 for Subex over a period of time. Not immediately. It will take at least 2 to 3 years, but it will definitely deliver. From 35 to 100, it will be more than 200% returns for you if you are investing. In between, I bet you will not see even your cost price in Zealand until and otherwise very big positive news comes. Good morning, Abhi. TVRT, remember the names which I have said. If you want, I can post over here also. Uh, Switch from Zlearn to um, Delta Corp, Bandhan Bank, or LT Finance. You can go with any of the three, or you can even diversify and put it across all the three. All three will deliver you returns. A solid move in Hero MotoCorp in last 4 5 days. Nearly a 10% move. We missed it actually, but still the move was very good. When commodities have fallen, we should have taken any of the auto stocks. We haven't taken. We have just gone with only one, which is Maruti.
NGHD.
Um, Total mindset a person needs in trading. I had seen people even not squaring after profits in their struck position due to greed. Now, Abhi, this position which Mr. Kumar has done was not due to greed. He has given us the reason that some electricity failure and mobile issue or something like that. It may not be due to greed. Yes, Abhi agreed with your point. The thing is, I can only give suggestions and advices. I can't go and push them or pressurize them to do whatever I said. It is individual's decision whether to exit on time or not. In fact, he has given some reasons, so we need to accept it. That's it. Done. Let's not discuss about it further. Zinc is turning a bit negative per charts. If people are not comfortable holding with a stop loss of 355.90, better exit it now with small losses, just 15 paise loss as of now, and the lot size is 1005. I mean 5000. So instead of taking a risk, you may exit even now. Risk takers may even hold on to it. Bit uncomfortable. The charts say that he is willing to go down. But the thing is, if stop loss is maintained, then he could climb on the higher side. But we don't want to take a risk. Charts are pointing towards the right side. Why we need to go and fight with it? Uh, just stay online, guys. I will come back in a minute. Getting a phone call. Uh, I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. Sharp move on the put option. All of a sudden, from 100, it moved to 185. The moment he broke 36,000, look at the fall. Nearly 70 points, 80 points. What is the low actually? In spot, it is only 40 points fall. But whereas in futures, it's almost 60 points, 66 points fall. All of a sudden, the moment it breaks. Charts. Very big green candle, but it is nullified within the 5 minutes. See this? So pretty big 80-point candle, but it is getting nullified in just 5 minutes. If 36,000 and 17,100 is given up in Nifty, then we could see some sharp fall of maybe 150 points easily in Bank Nifty and 50-60 points easily in Nifty. But the only uh, good news is there is addition of put writing in 36,000 strike right now. Similar way for Nifty also 17,100 strike has good bit of put writing. Bajaj Finance, Finserv. Guys, if any questions you can post. Um, let's see. Slowly the put is climbing. I believe there will be a breakdown. Nifty is also given up 17,100. So the more he sustains over here, he will easily reach 17,000 and then climb back. At least 17,020, something like that. People who have queries can please post. Tata Steel, our hero or zero, given at 12, has made a high of 20 today, 20 plus today. Yesterday it was 20, and before that it was 25. I don't know how many of you have taken position and exited on time. If you have hold it till last moment, then you are gone for a toss. This is what I was expecting. Have been insisting couple of minutes back saying that Bank Nifty will break the lows, that is 6,000, and move on the downside. That's exactly happening now. Now you need to wait until it goes till 35,900 or even 35,850, and there only you can initiate longs. In between, it's a no trade zone. Just keep quiet. Please don't rush. The fall in Nifty is not that much bad, I would say. Probably he is being backed by some auto counters, and Reliance moved to high again. That's the reason. Zinc, aluminum, copper, crude is also a little bit on downside. How many of you remember our crude trade yesterday? Did anyone of you trade it? We have given to buy around 7,664 to 7,666, in between that range, and from there it rallied almost till 7,830, almost 170 points, 160 points. Most of you haven't even done it. It's like grinding premiums on both sides. Couple of minutes back, maybe half an hour back, when we were taking that 17050 and 17150 call, it was around 58 rupees. Now it has gradually grinded and come back, came below 50. Sudha, your view on SBI as per your fancy number. Ma'am, it is not fancy number. Fancy number is applicable only for crude. 45, 95, 95 is the concept. It's going below 95 and coming back again. We need to wait for close above 95 or close below 95 for 2 days. Only then we can, at least on the first day. Then if it is giving a signal of going below or staying above 95 on the second day, then only you can initiate a position. Until then you should not be able to do. Tech Mahindra, I might have given a stop loss. If not, also we should wait till today end, and then only we can be able to fix a stop loss for it. Yeah, I haven't given any stop loss for that. Um, until the series ends, we will not be able to fix a stop loss for next month position. Only when the series ends, we will be able to do it. So at present, you must hold, and I believe the results are during next week. So if results are good, then it can blast on the higher side, as it has been already hammered extraordinarily. Good that Nifty is, I mean, Bank Nifty is going back above 36,000, which means we are respecting the option chain. The divergences between Nifty and Bank Nifty, Nifty is positive, whereas Bank Nifty is having some negativeness. 35,900 put option also have aggressive additions in writing side, which means 35,900 also will act as a immediate support. If we stay above maybe 30 minutes uh, above 36,000 odd levels, then probably the shots will get screwed, and automatically we will see an up move. That's what I feel. Because a falling market will not take support like this and climb higher. Generally speaking, a falling market will break supports and then move on the downside very easily. Uh, do we have any queries? Um, Tech Mahindra 13th May is resulted. Oh, I think I have misunderstood as third. Okay, anyways, we can hold it uh, till results. In between, if something goes very badly, then we will think of exiting our position. Yes, the last couple of days, Reliance is the only one which is giving strength for Nifty. Barring that, we have couple of auto companies who are also providing enough strength. State Bank of India, like you said earlier, yesterday's close is above 497.25, and I think day before yesterday close also is above 495. If my guess is correct, he is supposed to reach 545 sooner or later. Maybe this month, I mean next month, the results could give it a trigger and then shoot up on the higher side. Bajaj Finance cracks for the second day post results. People who wanted to invest for long run, you can invest now. Best case scenario, worst case scenario, Bajaj Finance can go till 6,400 or 350. So another 200, 250 points risk on the downside. But on the upside, the target is 8050 in next 1 year. I can give you blind levels on Bajaj Finance because that's one of the stock which I have too much of interest on. Mm, It's clearly premium erosion, guys. Look at the way the premium is being grinded in 17050 and 17150 strike. From 58, it has come down to 46 very easily in 1 hour time. Until I took medicine, I was sitting good. After half an hour from the medicine intake, I'm feeling very sleepy. Let's see how best I can hold. If I feel very sleepy, then we'll wind up the session a bit early. Maybe I will come back in a minute after washing my face. Just give me a minute. Now, the put moving averages are trying to see a crossover. Something happens like magic in my system. Sometimes I'm not able to see my cursor. Yeah, now it is back. Uh, Crude oil. ICICI Bank is trying to climb back to green. That is something good for bulls. Access results are scheduled today. Is anyone aware whether it is in between market hours or post market hours? Um it's going to be a weekend. One day more to go. Views on United Spirit. You don't require any views at all. Just buy it on a Thursday and sell it on a Friday. You will be in profits. No indicator will show you every week it is a buy. But my freaky experience will show you every week it is a buy. If you want, I can just check the charts for your wish. McDowell's charts say he, he is trying to go down. But tomorrow, don't get surprised or shocked if you see green in this one. McDowell's is a um freaky pick which I have an idiotic logic for taking it on a weekend. But it works to the core. People may not believe, but that is the actual situation which is happening. Every week he is delivering results. Mm, Sunny. Inside candle bar formed in 15 minutes in both indexer. I guess whichever side it breaks out will give a good move. Please suggest. Yes, you are right. Inside candle is the that is the structure of inside candle. I mean, characteristic of inside candle. Whenever there is an inside candle formed, breakout on either side, breakout or breakdown on either side will give you a sharp move. Bro, it's not inside candle, it's outside candle now. Actually, inside candle in the sense, uh, there will be two candles. The second candle, high and low, should be inside the first candle's high and low. Whereas here, it is vice versa. The second candle's high and low is higher than that of the first candle, which means outside candle. Okay, so the bigger candles high and low are crucial. Whichever side it breaks out, opposite direction will be your stop loss, and you can ride the bus. Since there is a moving average crossover, I believe the breakout will come on the higher side. Same way, if you want to check for Bank Nifty also, let me check. You said 15 minutes candle, right? Yeah, even in 15 minutes candle of Bank Nifty, it is correct. It is outside candle. Now, if the high breaks, you can go long with this particular candle's low as stop loss, or if low breaks, you can go short with this particular candle's high as stop loss. That's it. Very simple. Okay, okay, yes. Here the second candle high and low completely takes over the first candle. We got it. So probably short covering. We don't know whether it will be short covering or not, but if it breaks out, the move will be on that particular direction. Copper, yesterday he has not given us opportunity at 782. Can we see him opportunity giving for us today? That happens, take it at 782 next month contract. Aluminum is still negative, copper is still negative, zinc is negative, crude is also turned negative. If you are a strong hearted person, just place buy order at buy order for crude at 7654. If you get, then you can exit as per your comfort. Just give me a minute, I am posting one call to my members. Come on, come on, come on. Bajaj Finance is coming to my level. If he gives us opportunity, that would be very good. Does any of your broker allows you to take position today for today's expiry? I don't know any broker who gives such opportunity. If your broker allows, try Bank of Baroda 115 call option again. Just place a buy order at 0.20 paise and wait till 12:30 noon. If you get it, then place a sell order as per your comfort and then exit. But if your order is not getting executed before 12:30, then you should cancel your order. That's the condition. And since my broker don't allow it, I'm not doing it. Let me check whether I can do it. No, it's blocked, so I'm not able to place order. So I believe others will also not be able to place order like me, because I don't see any broker who is allowing to take position on the last day. Nifty is nicely holding up with the help of Reliance. All others are moving on the downside. If you have any questions, you may post. Ignoring Bank of Baroda, actually we will not be able to take position. It's now 70. Which one? Um, Prajwal, please give your view on Infi 1600 call bought at 33. Good bet, bro. In fact, it is one of my golden egg. So I will not be able to give you the exact target here. But let me check the charts and just keep you updated where it can go. Turned into 1 day chart. So it's been on downside continuously for last 10 days, since it is in fact more than 10 days after results. So probably we can see a reversal from here, probably. My target of 15 is still pending. Since it has consolidated for a while, I expect that there could be a temporary bounce back towards 1640 odd levels, and then if broader market situation is not good, it could drift down lower, or else it will make its move towards 1700. uh, I think Nifty could have given a breakout above the 15 minutes high which we were discussing couple of minutes before. Yes, he has given a breakout above 115 and it has moved already 30 points, sorry, 15 points. So for this, the stop loss would be 17072.90. Maybe you can have a stop loss of 17070. I'm just making it as rounded number so that people can remember it. That's it. There is nothing behind it. If you want to go, then your stop loss will be exactly the low minus 10 paise. That is enough. Did Bank Nifty also gave a breakout? Yes, of course. 68 is the high. I mean 68.65 is the high. And he has made a high of 72.95, which means Bank Nifty has also given a breakout as per the outside candle pattern. So I believe that this is market is going to move up, and simultaneously the VIX is also cooling off a bit. Morning we have seen VIX at 20.5, right? 25, 20.45, 20.5 kind of stuff. It is also cooling a bit. So if VIX cools off a bit, definitely markets fall will not get intensified. Obviously market must move up if VIX is going to cool off. That is the correlation between VIX and markets. And friends, do we have any other queries? We have another 30 minutes left. Um, this call which I am forwarding can be even taken today if we get an opportunity. That's copper. I am seeing one other Telegram channel. I don't want to name the channel over here. This fellow has given a cell call in the morning. Okay. Even now, he is saying my cell call is valid. Still, my target, I mean, stop loss is hit. And saying Nifty target is 17040. But on the other hand, he is giving a buy call for 17,200 strike. Look at the way how people are cheating others. But these fellows are being respected in this field. Genuine members like me are getting fooled. It's absolute rubbish what he is speaking. Uh, I'm keeping on asking any queries, any queries. Nobody is responding, which means can I guess that there is no queries, or can I take it that there is no queries? Oops, what a bad miss on Bajaj Finance. My order is at 122 and he climbed from 122.85 to 142. That's really irritating. In fact, I have given don't miss for my members. Really bad. Kotak taking up Bank Nifty. Will HDFC Bank follow? No idea, ma'am. Today is expiry day and that too monthly expiry day. Everything will be manipulated with the help of HDFC Bank. Until 2:30 p.m., these biggies will not allow HDFC Bank, so that everybody will think that markets up move will not sustain, and all of a sudden, post 245, they will take HDFC Bank alone on the higher side and make markets move on the higher side. This is how they play on expiry days. But anyways, we need to wait for right opportunities. Couple of minutes back, Bank Nifty and Nifty has both given a breakout. So I believe the move will be on the upper side. $50 booked in C side after outside candle breakout, sir. Very nice, Sunny, to hear that you booked some profits. It's not simply saying book the profits. You have learned something and booked the profits. That is the key over here. Okay, many people ask queries. They have taken position and they have booked the profits, that kind of stuff. But before even taking position, you confirmed that what will happen if this pattern gives a breakout on any side, and then you have traded accordingly. So if you practice like this for a couple of days or weeks or months, definitely one fine day you will become a very good personality in trading. Mm, very very bad thing for me in H Bajaj Finance. He has raised more than 60 points. I'm just checking commodities every half an hour because I am having the half an hour time frame candles. So if there is a trend reversal kind of stuff, we can take position. That is the reason I'm checking. Now Bank Nifty futures is giving a crossover of moving averages. Mm. Thank you, Sunny. Keep learning. Only when you learn markets and become self dependent, you will be able to succeed in markets. No one can teach you forever. I may be here today. Tomorrow, if I am not there, then it will be a tough time for you. So always keep learning with all the possible and probable opportunities. Oh. If you remember, I was the one who asked 2 days ago when market fell, if day low is not breached, can we carry May series 17 call? Also going well. See, the very simple logic of market is when everybody is panic, you need to have guts to take a position, and when everybody is greedy, you need to be in a position to stay cautious. Very simple. If you follow this, no one can beat you. It's very simple to follow, simple to say, but tough to follow. Look at the way Bank Nifty surges now, and the way Nifty. All of a sudden market moves, commodity also starts moving. Very bad. Our order was at somewhere around 782 for copper, but it turned from 784. The problem with me is I have a bad habit of not chasing anything in markets. People may call it as bad habit, but I call it as success of mine. I will take my trades only if I get my level, or else I won't run behind anything. Now everybody will speak about 17,200 in Nifty and 36,500 in Bank Nifty. But go back and check our opening view. We were the first to give in the morning. Now let's see what is the option chain says. Yes. Now 36,000 becomes support for Nifty and 17,100 becomes the support for Nifty. Oh, I'm sorry. 36,000 is the support for Bank Nifty, not Nifty. Bank Nifty and 17,100. So there are probabilities we can go and hit our 17,200 levels. Remember where I suggested to buy Bajaj Finance yesterday and today morning? How many of you remember it? Yesterday it cracked like anything, 7-8%. Today also it cracked 2% near about, but our buy was around 6600 when it comes. He clearly came to that levels and now up 60 points. 6580 is the low. This is how you need to wait patiently and take trades. We haven't rushed just because Bajaj Finance has fell down 50%. I mean, uh, 500 points yesterday. We didn't even rush, right? We were holding our patience. It in fact went down 8% at one stage, 8.5% at one stage. But we were holding with patience for our levels. Uh, Tata Steel. Tata Steel still hovering at 10 rupees. If somebody missed to exit on time, maybe yesterday or even today morning, and still holding, then you must try to exit with small losses. Our entry is at 12, right? So we have last 4 5 minutes left. If you have any questions, you can ping me, or else we will wind up by 12 noon. Best case scenario would be 17,200 for Nifty, maybe 222. That will be the best case scenario for today. Last 1 minute left for posting your queries. If there is nothing, we will wind up the session next 1 or 2 minutes. Approximately 95 points gain in Bank Nifty futures and 60 points gain in Nifty futures post the breakout. I'm saying the approximate value, not the exact value. Since I don't had any questions, I assume members are happy with whatever the response which we have given already. So we will wind up the session. If possible, tonight we will have a 8 p.m. live, or we will make it tomorrow morning at 9. See you, friends. Bye for now. We'll meet again either by today evening or tomorrow morning. Have a good day.